Hi everyone. This is just a quick note on the use of textbooks in Geography 1113 online. First of all, as you may have read in the syllabus, I strongly recommend using a hard copy textbook rather than the e-book. The e-book is generally pushed by the publisher because the publisher frankly makes a lot more money from the e-book than they do from the hard copy. Number one, the hard copy, which should be the third edition of Visualizing Human Geography by Alison Greiner. The textbook is always there for you to see if you have a hard copy, and the textbook is a nice reminder that you are enrolled in an online course. Sometimes that's important. Number two, I use a lot of the figures. In fact, most of the figures in the textbook I want you to look at and to study. And I ask a lot of quiz questions / exam questions over material from the figures and the maps. So the study guides direct you to look at a lot of those figures and maps in the textbook, and you need the third edition of the textbook to have all of those available to you. Sometimes the ebook edition is simply, it's a little clunky. Number three, the thing that you can use, one thing that's very effective when using a hard copy textbook is that you can always throw in adhesive notes and put those inside the textbook. You can also, of course, write notes in your hard copy textbook, and these will help you get through the material a little easier. And finally, the hard copy textbook is available at the reserve desk on the first floor of the OSU library. The area, I'm not sure exactly what room it is, but it's on the first floor. As you walk in from the south, it's on the east wing, and it's the location where they check out cameras and equipment. I think it's called the Creative Studios room. But I know there is at least one copy of the textbook, the third edition textbook, and a few copies of the second edition textbook. But if you don't have any access to a textbook in the early stages of the course, I would recommend that you go there and check one out. You have a 2-hour checkout, and I believe it's a 50-cent fine per minute after that 2 hours, so be careful. Thank you very much for listening to all this, and good luck in the course.